Hello everyone, this is Chris Morris. We're continuing here with our advanced training series, lesson 23, image content condition. Overview here, we'll go over what the purpose of an image content condition is, and then we'll get into creating a couple different types. Purpose of an image content condition is to allow the user a way to display an image in a cell based on the condition of another tag. Just keep in mind, in order to try this, you first have to upload an image into the VP4 system. Go ahead and get right into this. Get your VT3000 welcome page. Go ahead and select that Virtual Panels 4. Once it's open, go ahead and select the panel. You can set up this condition for combo panel, performance panel, or an and-on panel. I've got one set up for us here. We'll go ahead and edit that. And basically, I've got my tags here. So I'm actually I'm gonna show you how to, based on an employee ID that was entered into a data field, then we're gonna show an image based on that. And I've also got some duration and state tags, which I'm going to use the state tag more than anything. So go over here to our layout. You can see it's a little bit different. I've customized it a bit just to make things show up a little different. So for my supervisor, I'm going to select here, go down here to my conditions, content. I'm going to add a content condition. I'm going to say if my state equals 1. Going to show result types image. I'm going to select an image, and I've actually got an image that's an alarm red image. So go ahead and set that. Then I'm going to add another one where I'm going to say if the state equals 2, select image, and I have a yellow one. Go ahead and hit OK for that and close it. Now this is set up as 2 conditions you can see down here at the button. So this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show an employee picture based on the ID that they enter into the system. So I'm going to enter a condition. I need to remove this as a leftover. So add content, basically say is if the employee ID equals, and the way I've got it set up is to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to show an image, and we've got employee 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. So go ahead and hit OK, close that, conditions 1, that one's set up. Go ahead and hit save and exit. We're going to go ahead and view that panel. So I got the supervisor and employee. Let's bring up our virtual device here. So we'll go ahead and hit our supervisor alarm. And we know that's in a state of 1, so we should see our red alarm image show up here. And then when we acknowledge, we'll get the yellow one. And then when we clear out, basically it's going to go away. So the other type that I set up here was based on a data field. So if we start production, it asks us for an employee ID. We hit 1, 2, 3, 4. We hit OK. Now then it's basically going to load the picture that we have uploaded into the system for this employee. As you see, Superman is running our line, so we're all good. When we end production, and basically the employee ID picture here will go away. That'll about do it for image content condition. Go back over here to our PowerPoint. Go to summary. So purpose of an image content condition, display an image in a cell based on another tag. How to set one up. There's the less comparator, the symbol, which is equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than, less than or equal to. The right comparator could be value or another tag. The result type for this was an image, and then in the result we actually selected the image that we had uploaded to the system. Practical app. Create an image content condition. Have a little bit of fun, kind of like we did with Superman, but just try to see if you can get what you're looking for in the cells. There's not any more additional information. Everything's pretty much covered in this PowerPoint here and in the video. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day.